In this video, we're gonna learn REPT function. This function actually repeats a text value with a specified number of times that we specify actually. And you can see the formula here, the text, it means the text we want to repeat it, and number times, it means number of times that we want to repeat that text. Okay, here we have some text that we want to repeat them, and we have number of times that we want to repeat it with these numbers. First one, it's W. We want to repeat it for 3 times. Here, REPT, or text is in a F2 cell, and number is 3. Here we are, we have 3W. But what happens if we enter a decimal number like this, 3.5? Let's try it. REPT, or text is in F2 at 3.5. Nothing happened, only 3. It doesn't matter how many decimal numbers we enter, it only consider the main number here. Even if we enter here 9 instead of 5, same result. If we enter 0 for number times, what happens? F2 empty, because it's 0, nothing. And another example for WW, REPT, or text is in F5, 2W, double W, and the number is 2. For example, we have 4W here. But what will happen if we enter negative numbers as number times? Let's try it. REPT, or text is in a F5 and -2. Value error, because we cannot enter negative numbers as number times. Also, you have to pay attention to cells limitations, because each cell can consist of up to 32,767 characters. If we enter more than this, we will have an error. Let's try it. Our limitation is this number here. I entered this, so it's okay. Our text is F7 and 32,767. It's okay. But if we enter more than this number, even a single number, for example, instead of 7, we enter 8 here, and we will have a value error.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diako.co.uk.